Hello students, good morning all of you and welcome back our online class Science 7th standard. Students, today we are going to continue our 15th chapter, that is the wind, storm and the cyclones. And students, you have studied that before, that what is that thunderstorm. But students, today we are going to discuss about that what is the tornadoes. Do you know that tornadoes? Did you hear these words? Have you seen? Have you ever seen this? Okay, tornadoes is also one of the form of thunderstorm. This is not thunderstorm, that is one of the storm. But this tornadoes, where it will happen, how it will happen, it will occur. Now, because whenever that our hot air will meet with the currents, that air, that cold currents air, that time in the horizontally, at that time what will happen? It will create the tornadoes. And the tornadoes like one like elephant tongue, like it will be touched to the surface of the earth, and just like one cloud, black cloud, which one just like a trunk of elephant, like that it will touch to that earth. It is water near or the surface near, it will be touched to the earth. At that time it will be circulate like water, it will may also, it will go to the top, and where that due to that low pressure that it will occur. Okay, so these are the generally, it is not harmful, that much not harmful like thunderstorm or cyclones, but it is due to this is also one of the different types of storm. Okay, so discuss in our India, that is not impact or that much not harmful to destroy like things, but we have to take care and we have to take some precautions during the tornadoes. Okay, so let us see students, what is the tornadoes? It is another form of storm. It has a dark funnel shape, like a funnel shape like that, means students you have to be see like this, means it will come like this. Okay, so that one sharp point it will come to that water surface or that surface like that, and it will be rotate like that, and it just trunk like that, it is like that, it will be. Okay, so this is just a cloud, black cloud, which was just like a funnel shape, and that it will reach to the ground from the skies, from the sky to like that one trunk, like it will touch to that ground or the water surface or that land. So it is a form of when a rising column of hot air meets to a horizontal current of cold air. When that current air, that means cold air and current cold air and hot air, when the surface of the hot air, whenever it will meet, that time it will be create. The diameter of the tornadoes is meter or kilometer or more. Whatever the diameter of the tornadoes, that means whatever the circle like that it will form. So this diameter may meter, 1 meter or 2 meter or 1 kilometer or more than 1 kilometer also. So that is more diameter. Most of the tornadoes are weak, do not cause much harm to the life and property. Actually, this is the weak pressure, low, due to the low pressure it is creating, and happen that water whenever tornadoes it will affect to that area or anywhere, but not that much harmful. It is just a weak pressure or weak storm. Okay. Next we will discuss, they are not frequent in our country. In our country it is not harmful or not frequent. So tornadoes is just generally it will affect to that life of the humans, but also we have to take that precautions. What are the precautions? Take a shelter in a room which is deep inside the underground or having no windows. That means it should be, it is very more effective than airs. So what will happen? You have to stay inside the ground or which are in the underground houses, those who have no windows, that house inside you can stay. If there is not possible, that shut the doors and windows of the houses and sit under the table or a bed. Under the table bed near, and close the door, because the air should not enter to that houses. Okay, if you will suppose sometimes that houses if that not hatched or anything, it will fall down due to air, that what will happen? Your head it will be injured or it will be infection will come. So you can even go down in your knees so that protect your head and knee. Well, if tornado is suddenly happening, what you have to do? You have to protect your head. Okay, and knee down also keep, and you can sit. So these are about the students, what is that tornadoes and how we can take that precaution. So friends, next we will discuss about that what is that cyclones. Okay, cyclones is one of the form of also storm, but it is very harmful for that human beings and for that people, those who are living in the coastal area. And due to that heavy low pressure in that oceans, or due to that earthquake or sliding of that plates of that earth, that happening for the cyclones, and due to that heavy waves at a time within very short time it will one that heavy waves it will come to that reach near the sea beach, or it will cover to the land area, that is called as cyclones. And we will discuss next video what is that cyclones and what are the damaging, how that it is damaging to that human activities or human all that items or that houses or that so much that things it is, those are what happening we will discuss, okay, in the next video. Thank you all students, have a nice day.